Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the trend impulse channels indicator. All right, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Here we go, just drag and drop. All right, so this is how the indicator looks like. You can see that the indicator helps us to plot dynamic price channels on the chart. All right, and by doing so we are able to quickly identify the trend direction, the prevailing trend direction. All right, so you will notice that when the trend is bearish, the indicator lines, or rather the dynamic price channels, are going to be red in color. Right, the lines for the channels will be red in color when the trend is bearish. And then you would also notice that the indicator also displays arrows. Right, you will notice here there was a red arrow appearing here. All right, you can see there was a green arrow appearing here. Okay, green arrows appearing here, but remember that no indicator is 100% foolproof. Right, you can see here when the green arrow appears, of course the green arrow, upward arrow, shows buy signal, while the red downward arrow shows sell signal. So when you notice that the price channels are green, and then you notice the appearance of the green upward arrow below the candlesticks, that is a sign to buy. Okay, but make sure you always get your confirmations before executing the trade. On the other hand, when you notice the appearance of red channel lines, and then you notice the red downward arrow appear above the candlesticks, is a sign to sell. Okay, but just like I said, always get your confirmations, because sometimes the indicator can give false signals. All right, so let's quickly go to the inputs to see the properties of the indicator. Right, you can see these settings. You can modify them according to your taste, depending on how you want the indicator to react. Right, you can see if you want channel fill, if you want to retest signals, if you want filter by trend, and all of that. Right, the band multiplier, maximum step size, and all of that. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.